Alright, I got another video for you guys. I'm going to show you guys how to program a remote start key in any the MDXs and the TLXs. I have a TLX also, so I'm going to be showing you how to do it. I showed you already how to do it with the Autel, and now I'm going to show you how to do it with the Launch tool. This is the Launch CRP Professional 919X. I'll put a link down in the video description for this tool. This tool is amazing. It can program turn keys and push start keys, and is also really good at diagnosis. So right now I have this key in. Okay, this is the non-push start. So now I'm going to add this push start key into the vehicle right now. Okay, so first you turn on the ignition to where the ignition's on. Then we're going to go to diagnosis. We're going to go to Acura. We're going to go to Honda diagnosis. It's a 16 pin. We're going to go to USA. It's retrieving the car's information. This will pull up the VIN and everything. Okay. Then you press OK. Then you're going to go to service function. Oh, no. You're going to go to system selection. Okay. Then we're going to go to one push start. Okay. Registration. It's communicating. Okay. It says add a smart key. Rewrite Honda smart keys, all those keys. So we're going to do two-way keyless setup. Okay. Install the two-way now. Okay. Click on two-way keyless access setup. Then you click on OK. Then it says the current setting is one keyless way. Do you want to change to two keyless way? Yes. Then you hit yes on the bottom. It's communicating. Okay. Press OK to finish the two-less keyless setup. It says turn off the ignition. So I turned it off. Okay, it says do not insert the keyless access room. Remove all the other keys. Okay, so it says to leave this key in and take this key out. That's what I'm going to do right now. So I'm going to take this key. And put it outside the car. Then I'm going to get back in the vehicle. Okay. Okay. Okay, now it says to turn the ignition on. So I'm going to hit the ignition 2 times to turn it on. Press OK. Okay. Now you're going to go to add Honda key. So after you do the keyless setup, then you go to add Honda smart key. Okay. It says turn off the ignition. Turned it off. Take one keyless access remote in the car. That's this one, the original one. Turn the ignition back on. It's communicating. It says take all keyless access remotes out of the vehicle. We'll take this one, put it on the floor. Put one just one new keyless remote into the vehicle. So the new key, which is this one. Put this one into the vehicle. You'll see the light blink here. Now the keyless access remote is registered. So now this one will work with the car. It says switch the ignition on. Okay, now try to switch it on. Should be able to switch it on with the new key. Yes, it came on. Keyless access light went out. There was a green key light blinking. Now it's gone. Yes, it's off. Turn off the ignition. Hit the button. Hit OK. Okay, switch the ignition on. Ignition's on. Press OK. Communicating. Keyless function is registered to. Since this keyless remote is united with the mobilizer key, it's at the same time, but the operator is not necessary to register or delete the mobilizer key separately. Okay, the registration has been completed. Hit the ignition, turn it off. Check all keyless access mode to make sure, check all doors to make sure they're lock and unlock. Okay. Turn it on. Yes, it turns on. And then you hit OK. And that's it. We're done here. Let's turn the tool off. Hit the power button. Keep missing the off. Okay. So now that tool is off. Unplug it from the OBD port. Turn this off. Okay. Now we just installed the remote start key. Let's check. Locks. Unlocks the doors. It's good to go. Now we're gonna check the remote start. We're gonna hit the lock and then hold down the engine button. And there we go, the car remote starts. Green light. So it's good to go. And then hold down this button to turn it off. The remote starter stays on for 10 minutes and then shuts off automatically, and then you can restart it. But the key works and the remote start works. That's it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask them, to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Peace.